To create a QR code for your listings, easy peasy. Go over here, go to your listings, and click on one of them. And you're going to go ahead and just click right here, and you'll see this is where you can edit, change information. But when you come right over here, where's my more actions? Create QR code. Boom. You can save that. It's going to go to your listing on your website. Number 2, what I like to do is I come over here to my playbooks because usually I can start promoting all of that fun stuff. Let me come over to view. I've already got one created. I can come over here, leverage social media. You can go ahead and use a property boost. Click on digital promotion. This squeeze page, it will label people as they come in. So I copy this. I come over into MaxCenter. I'm going to go to my URL shortener. And then you can come right over here to create code. You'll paste that squeeze page link, give it a name, add the address, add your name, whatever you want. You can create it. So I've already got one, so I'm just going to do test. You can create it. Then you'll see it has it is case sensitive. So you can always edit and make this whatever you want. Usually I use the MLS number because it is case sensitive on letters. It's much easier if I just have numbers. So you can edit that. And right here, you can get QR codes. So you can see here, I already have this one done. So all I have to do is download. I always typically save it as a PNG. If you're doing a sign or something where they need a higher resolution vector, go ahead and download it as the SVG. But the good thing is I can come over here. Why I like doing it this way, because one, every time I promote this on social, I'm using this link because then you can get reporting. It's going to break down, and I just did this a couple days ago. It's going to break down when, where, how people are finding. So I can see here, no one clicked on it on LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, anything like that. It is all Facebook right now and direct. So these are great ways as you're looking at where are people clicking through. If I use the QR code from here, it'll tell me where people are scanning it from, as well as the links. So I like having this tracking, even though in my playbook, I will see when I come over to results, I can see the leads generated from Property Boost, from my QR code, from everything. But I do like using it that way. So hopefully that helps. And if you are going into, let me come back over to my listings. If you're looking to get all of your assets and you're wanting to change to add it, I can come over here, view assets. I can edit one of my flyers. Just change out one of those photos with the QR code. So easy peasy, or you can create your own, or if you already have assets that you have automatically being done, lots of different things that you can do. So hopefully this helps. Thanks, guys.